Due to my excellent supervisory skills yesterday, Fritz and Mark put together this nice wall. This is going to be the wet wall in the bathroom, and tankless hot water heater will go in here and all the hidden plumbing. So he did a lot of this. He did this cutting. So thank you, Fritz.
You're welcome.
Today we are boxing in the wheel wells and going to seal them up, insulate them. That'll help deaden sound, but also gives us a flat platform because the next wall is going to go here as soon as we block out this window. And this is going underneath the narrower bed. So that's today's project. Because the water lines run through there, we notched it out. And now we're going to put together the other side. We're leaving the front ones alone for now because, well, we're not that state. We're back here. And the heater that we want to keep, lines run up through there. We need to redirect those. And of course up here at the front, if we came out far enough to clear the wheel well and this side, we're sticking out into the stairs, so that's going to be a little more tricky cutting, but we're going to save that for a little bit.
That'll make things a lot easier than trying to.
So the way we're doing this is we're coming out 25 inches, and it's giving us a little bit of a gap along the edge of the wheel well, and it's 48 inches back here, and then 25. And what we're going to do, as I'll show you in a moment, is we're going to use a lot of this little scrap pieces of 2-inch pink foam to fill in the big voids, and then we're going to use great stuff to really fill it in, and that should seal this up nicely. So we filled up the wheel wells with pink foam.
Too far out, too far out. Remember there's an angle cut there at
No,
the
I'm
end.
not going there. I see it.
Oh, okay.
And Erin's putting the top plate on, and we can move on to the next great thing.